Today, August 1st, this boiler is going to be loaded on a barge and sent to Seymour, New Jersey. This is a momentous effort. It's the first time in the United States that a 4,000-ton Hrsg has been moved in its entirety.
8 years ago, I was approached for the first time by a firm who wanted to build an air-cooled condenser, which is coming from Mexico. I asked the owner, why is it coming from Mexico? Why don't you let me build it? They laughed and they make fun of me, that they said New York labor cannot compete. I said, why don't you give me a chance? And they said, okay, if you want to waste your time, go ahead, I'll give you a chance.
This boiler is designed by GE, built by the union tradesmen, and it'll supply power for approximately 500,000 households. This, I believe, is shut down outdated or older boilers in the area that are also owned by PSE&G. They are very, very big supporter or employer of the Boilermakers, one of the biggest.
I took the opportunity. I'll find a good place upstate New York at Coleman. I established that place as my shop, and the Boilermakers assembled an organization for me, a shop organization with good labor, which enabled me to build the air-cooled condensers at the same cost that they were building it in Mexico, plus the savings of transporting from all the way from Mexico to New York. The entire project began just about the end of January and delivered by the end of July, which is phenomenal.
When you look at the outside, it looks like a relatively simple structure. There is much internal work. There's liner plates, there's insulation, and in the future, there'll be another unit built here, and PSE&G will continue to employ Boilermakers in a very professional standard that we maintain.
When we're doing projects like this, they're time scheduled. They want these things done. They want to be online. They want to be making money. If they're not making money, they're not going to build them. We're not going to get to work.
It's been a difficult path, but we're at this point now. Everything came together in the final weeks. It's been a cooperative effort for Durr, Migrant, Mammoth, local politicians, and administrative people from the companies.
There was probably a good 100 men to move this unit today, helping for cutting wood, setting foundations, pumps, jacks. And I mean, we had everybody here. It's our unit, you know, but it requires everybody.
This is a lifestyle. It's not a job. We don't come to work with the ambition to, oh, I'm going to come in and get paid. You can't come into this business that way. This job is a lifestyle. You live and breathe Boilermaking. Even though I was the general foreman, I was just a figurehead on this project. All the men did the work. I had about 75 Boilermakers down here. I am very, very proud of myself, and more so, I am proud of my men.
hope the industry learns they no longer need to go overseas. I think this is the message we have to send to the industry. Bring back the work into the United States.